All right, everybody, I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. I'm BJ from the 478, and I finally got this 1975 Caprice Classic completed. So in this vehicle, I actually have a center channel that was custom built with 4 3-inch neodymium speakers in it. They're new, they're loud, they're equivalent to the Bemas, and man, I'm loving them. Also up at the top, I have the 4-inch neodymium made by PRV as well, with some 3-inch slim tweeters in my custom plate. That's patented up at the top. So in the rear, I'm running a 3-inch PRV and a 3-inch tweeter, and a 6.5 down in the bottom, and 2 6x9s in the rear. So let's see what we got in the trunk. Like I said, if you are just tuning in, you can go back and catch up some of my other episodes, and you'll see exactly what I went through when I was doing this car, and I went step by step on what I took out and what I added in this vehicle. So, you know, as you can see, DSP audio control. I have 2 of the Rockford 4-channel marine amps. I did label them. So this one is running the 6x9s and the 6.5s. And also this right here is running the crowd pleaser, and I'll show you exactly what that is in just a second. So this one right here runs the actual center channel and the dash speakers. I can adjust and run a delay on the signal from the DQ-DX, which is absolutely amazing. This blue lights up really good. The LEDs I chose to run, you can actually change the colors on the fly, and man, this thing right here looks the part. So nice and clean, that's how we wanted it. Pods came out pretty decent. Removable grills, all that good stuff. Grills come out, and man, I'll go ahead, man. I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and listen to it. But it's kind of loud because you can barely hear me now, and this thing is barely on. So let me show you what the crowd pleaser is. See this? I'm running 2 of the PRV 290 in a custom bracket, so my man won't lose his investment. But man, these damn things are loud as hell, and they're clear. You know, we're not going through that where you sound like the ice cream man. It's a great blend, especially when he's turning around, he's doing this little, you know, they're hanging out and they just want to hear a little bit of music. But man, this thing right here is getting I tell you what, this thing right here sounds phenomenal. Just imagine, this is some of my music that I play and when I'm making videos. So just imagine if you're playing some Sade, or you're playing some old school, or you're just, hey look, rap, hip hop. This thing is tuned to play whatever, but I just had to play some music so I wasn't getting copyrighted. So by me purchasing that, now I can use it on my YouTube channel. That's all well and good. And man, I won't get, you know, slapped with a slap on the wrist. So I can get by with using that music. But I don't know if you just heard what I heard, but man, that thing is pleasing to the ear. It's not screaming. It's not sounding overbearing. And I tell you what, that thing was barely cracked. So when I say barely cracked, it was just barely open, and, you know, low volume. And I'm telling you, that thing had plenty more to go. Like I tell you, all my customers, they get complimentary red tops to go along with their actual install. So if you would like me to do anything for you, all you have to do is contact me. I own and run OCD Audio LLC in Centerville, Georgia. You can Google it, and I'll leave you a link in the description. And if you want me to do your car, you could be next. Now we're gonna finish up this 74, and I've started to pull everything out. I got new box, I got all new pieces, new console. I need to wrap that console this weekend, so go ahead and put it in there. I got new kick drums. I got a whole new shebang-a-bang going in this thing, man. And when I tell you, this is a beast. This a beast. You hear me? Gotta love that motor too, and it sounds good. So my boy got the 6.2 going in there, all that good stuff, and this thing is gonna be a complete ride. So I don't know if I showed you, but this is how this works. Easy peasy, but you can go in several different colors on the fly. What changes up here also changes in the rear, and you gotta love it, man. I love this. I love that color though. That color right there looks good. This is not bad. That blue is awesome. The purple's good, and the white. Or you can do the demo. Bam, bam. That might give you a seizure though. Yeah, I don't care to do all that blinking and stuff, but man, as you can see, this is beautiful. I wish it was mine. You know, I might buy one and build one. I do like the green. The green looks good. Let's see what it looks like back here. Yeah, green looks good. So I think on one of my other videos I had told all my subscribers, once I get to 10,000, I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm still doing a giveaway, but also I think on that last video I had some actual some pods going out the door, the dash pods that goes in the dash in here. I'll have some loaded, and I already have some built, and I was waiting to send them out once I got the 200 messages on there with people's, you know, number, because I'm doing a rally on it. So whatever it stopped at, say for instance, if I got 136 messages on there with people and they're giving their number, I'll add from there. And once I reach the necessary, let's say 80 something messages on this last episode, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and announce a winner on random fly. You'll get a fully loaded OCD Audio dash pod with 2 neodymiums and 2 3-inch PRV slim tweeters that will bolt up in your dash. Second place will get just a raw one of these, and third place will get a set of tweeters. So stay tuned. I got a lot more. He's coming to pick this up hopefully this weekend, and I got another one for you. And like I said, I'll be finishing up this one once I get on it and start pulling everything out of it, like all the dash and radio and all that good stuff. I'll be shooting some videos on what's going on with this. So I greatly appreciate you. All my proceeds go to helping the needy in my area code. Thank you for tuning in. I'm BJ from the 478. Till next time.